Vanakkam students, start the class with the wonderful lines Alum Velum Pallukurudi, Nalum Rendum Sollukurudi. Here, Nalum refers to Naladiyar, Rendum refers to Tirukural. Numbers, we can easily convey the message through the numbers. In previous class, we have learnt geometric series, sum to n terms. In that, we have three cases. One is r is greater than 1, r is equal to 1, r is less than 1, and also some of the infinite terms of the geometric series. In this session, we are going to see some special series. There are some series whose sum can be expressed by explicit formula. Such series are called special series. The sum of first n natural number, the sum of squares of first n natural number, the sum of cubes of first n natural number, the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Now, we move on to the exercise problem. Exercise 2.9. The first question is, find the sum of the following series. The first subdivision we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on to 60 terms. Here 1 plus 2 up to sigma n, summation n 1 to 60, we have the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. In the place of n, we have to put 60. So, sigma summation n 1 to 60 is equal to 60 into next term of 60 is 61 by 2. On cancelling 30, so we have to multiply 30 by 61. So, sigma summation n 1 to 60 is equal to 1830. In second subdivision, we have 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus up to so on till 96. Here, this is not the natural number. For that, we have to take 3 as common because all the numbers are divisible by 3. So, take 3 as common. The expression will reduce as 1, 1 3s are 1, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9 up to 32 terms. Now, the expression is in the natural numbers. Here, we have summation 1 to n, sigma is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. We have the formula for the sum of n terms of the natural number. So, here n is equal to 32. 3 into n 32, the next term of 32 is 33 by 2. On cancelling 16. So, multiply and give the answer. 48 into 33. Sum of the expression is given expression is sigma n is equal to 1584. We will do the third subdivision. The given question is 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus up to so on 92. Here the expression is not from the beginning. So, we have to make from the beginning and subtract the unwanted numbers. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on plus 92. Then we have to subtract numbers from 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on to 50 that we do not want. Here the formula will summation n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the n terms of the natural number. In first bracket, n is equal to 92. For the second one, n is equal to 50. Apply it in formula. N is 92. The next number is 93 by 2 minus 50. The next number is 51 by 2. On cancelling, we get 46, 25. Multiply the numbers. 46 into 93 minus 25 into 51. 18. 6 9s are 54. 12. So here 7, 67. Remainder is 6. 36 plus 6, 42. Minus 1 5s are 5. 25 plus 2, 27. So 7, 2 is remainder, 10, 12. Subtract 4,275 from 4,278. So the solution will be sigma n is equal to 3003. The sum of the n natural number is sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Let's move on to the fourth subdivision. In fourth subdivision, we have 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 225. It is not in the form of natural number. So, we have to make them as what we have. 1 is can be written as 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square, 4 square, up to so on. 225 is 15 square. Now, this is in the form of sum of the squares of the first n terms of the natural number. We have formula sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. In the place of n, we have to put 15. So, sigma n square, that is from 1 to 15, is equal to 15. Next term of 15 is 16. 2n. 2n means 2 into 15, 30. 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. On cancelling, 8 times, 3 times, 5 times. So, sigma 1 to 15 n square is equal to 5 8s are 40 into 31 is equal to 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. The solution is n square is equal to 1240. Now, the sixth subdivision, we have 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube up to so on till 20 cube. This is sum of the cubes of the n natural number. So, in this expression, it is not from the beginning. So, we have to take from the beginning 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to so on to plus 20 cube. Then subtract the unwanted numbers, not required numbers. 1 cube plus 2 cube up to so on till 9 cubes we don't want, so subtract them. So, we have summation n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. the first bracket n is equal to 20, in second n is equal to 9. So, substitute in the formula we have n in the place of n 20, the next number is 21 by 2 the whole square minus n is equal to 9, next number is 10 by 2 the whole square. So, on we cancelling 10, 5. Next 21 into 10 is 210 square minus 45 square. 210, 21 21s are 441, 0 0. Here 45 into 45, 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are 20. So, 2025 on subtraction. Five, 7, 0, 2, 4. The solution is sigma n square is equal to 42,075. The solution is sigma n square is equal to 42,075. In 7th subdivision, we have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 till 71. This is odd number of natural number. First, we have to find how many terms in this series. So, n is equal to, we have already learned in AP, number of terms should be found using this formula. N is equal to, number of terms is equal to L minus A by D plus 1, where L is last number, A is first number, by D is common difference plus 1. So, L is equal to 71 minus 1, by D is 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 1. 70 by 2 plus 1, on cancelling 35. So, n is equal to 35 plus 1, 36. We have formula, sum of the first n odd natural number is 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. Here n is 36. So, 36 square. 36 into 36, 6 6 are 36, 18, 18 36, 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 3 12. So, sigma 2n minus 1 is equal to 1296. The solution is 1296 for the given question. The second question is, if 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on plus k is equal to 325, then find 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to so on to k cube. Here we have formula sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, sigma n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So, the given is, in the term of n, in the place of n we have k. So, sigma n 1 to k is equal to k into k plus 1 by 2 is equal to 325. So, on we substitute sigma 1 to k n cube k cube is equal to k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. We have the value for k into k plus 1 by 2. So, substitute 325 here. the whole square on multiplication 325 into 325, 5 5s are 25, 32 oda next term 32 into 33, 6, 15, so the answer is sigma k cube 1 to k is equal to 1,05,625. The solution for 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to so on to k cube is equal to 1,05,625. Next, the third sum is if 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to so on k cube is equal to 44,100, find the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on k. So, first we have to write sigma summation n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Summation n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. The given is, in the place of n we have to put k, sigma k 1 to k cube is equal to k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Sigma k 1 to k is equal to k into k plus 1 by 2. The given value is, if we take square root 44,100, we can find the formula, we can find the value of k into k plus 1 by 2. So, taking square root we will get 210. Taking square root for 44,100 is 210. So, sigma k 1 to k is equal to 210. The given is 1 cube plus 2 cube up to, so sum of the cubes of the natural number is given. We have to find that sum of the natural numbers up to k. So, on taking square root we will get the answer sigma k is equal to 210. Now, the fourth sum is how many terms of the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to so on should be taken to get sum 14,400. The given is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, the last number is not given, so n cube is equal to 14,400. We have formula for sum of the cubes of the natural numbers. Sigma n cube is equal to, sigma n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Here last term is not given. Using 14,400 we have to find the value of n. n into n plus 1 which is equal to 14,400. To take square we have to apply both side square root. So, taking square root on both side, n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square, 14,400 square root, the square will cancel. So, we have n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 114 is the square of 12. So, 120. So, on cross multiplication n into n square 1 into n is equal to 120 into 2 240. 120 into 2 is 240. On transformation, n square plus n minus 240 is equal to 0. N square plus n minus 240 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. We have to factorize this quadratic equation. So, minus 240 is equal, factors of minus 240, 15 16s are 240. So, the quadratic equation becomes n minus 15 n plus 16. So, n minus 15 is equal to 0, n is equal to 15. N plus 16 is equal to 0, n is equal to minus 16. We cannot take minus 16 because it is not possible in natural number all the numbers are positive. So, n is equal to 15. It is not possible. So, we have the last number is not given. On taking square root, we will get the answer n is equal to 15. Sum of cubes of 15 term is 14,400. The fifth problem is the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is 2025. Then find the value of n. Sum of the cubes solirukanga. So, sigma n cube is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube, 3 cube plus goes on, n cube is equal to 2025. We have formula sigma n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square, which is given as 2025. To remove square, we have to take square root on both sides. So, n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square, square root of 2025. Square getting cancelled. Here 2025 is 45 square. So, n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 45. This is square root of 45 square, 2 getting cancelled. On cross multiplication, n into n square plus n is equal to 45 into 2, 90. On transformation, n square plus n minus 90. Now, the expression is in the form of quadratic equation. We have to factorize and find the value of n. Minus 90, the factors of minus 90 is 10 nines are 10 and 9. Positive, the bigger number gets positive, smaller one is 9. So, n plus 10 into n minus 9 is equal to 0, n plus 10 is equal to 0, plus 10 on transformation, n is equal to minus 10. This is in the form of quadratic equation. We have to factorize and then find the value of n. So, minus 90, factors of minus 90 is 10 nines are. For the bigger number, we have to put positive sign plus minus. So, n plus 10, n minus 9 is equal to 0, n plus 10 is equal to 0. On transformation, n is equal to minus 10. This is not possible because natural numbers always positive. So, it is not possible. N minus 9 is equal to 0. On transformation, n is equal to 9. Hence the solution is number of terms in the n is equal to 9. Move on to sixth sum. Rekha has 15 square color papers of size 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter up to 24 centimeter. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? Now we have area of the square. We have to apply area of the square. Area of the square is equal to side into side. So side 1 10 centimeter. So 10 into 10 10 square. 11 into 11 11 square. 12 into 12 12 square up to so on plus 24 square. We have sigma n square, number of sum of the squares of the n terms of the natural number. Sum of the squares of the first n terms of the natural number. This is not from the beginning. So we have to take from the beginning 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 24 square. Then subtract the unwanted numbers. 1 square plus 2 square up to 9 square we don't want. So subtract that expression. So we have formula sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. In the place of first bracket n is equal to 24, in second bracket n is equal to 9. In the place of n 24, next to 24 is 25. 2 into 24 is 48 plus 1 49 by 6 minus 9 into 10 2 into n is 2 9s are 18 plus 1 is 19 by 6. On cancelling 6 4 times. So 4 into 25 into 49. On cancelling 3 times 2 times 2 times 5 times. So 3 into 5 into 19. On multiplying we getting 4,900 minus 285. On subtracting we get 4,615 centimeter square. Area decorated by the colored papers is equal to 4,615 centimeter square. Students, in geometric progression we have seen general term of geometric progression, general form of geometric progression, common ratio of successive terms, condition to be geometric progression, and then sum to n terms of the geometric progression. In this session we have seen some special series. I'll give you 3 sums as evaluation. Practice make a man perfect. Thank you, students.